Hello students, welcome back to Rino class. Chapter 5 Magnetism and Matter. In this chapter we are going to study about introduction, bar magnet, earth magnetism and magnetization and magnetic intensity, magnetic properties of material, permanent magnet and electromagnet. Okay, so in the introduction part we are going to study about the history of magnet and the properties of magnet. And the bar magnet, there we are going to study the magnetic field line and what will be happen if a magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field, and Gauss law in magnetism will study earth magnetism. There we will study why earth possesses the magnetic field, and the magnetic element of the earth we will study, that is the declination, dip and horizontal component of the earth magnetic field. Okay, and the magnetization and magnetic intensity we will study next. After that, magnetic properties. In the magnetic properties we are going to study the material classification, that is the diamagnetic, paramagnetic and ferromagnetic substance we will study there, and hysteresis loop we will study. Okay, finally we will study the what is permanent magnet and electromagnet we will study there. Okay, this is about the topics we are going to study in this chapter. And first we will see the introduction. What is magnet? Magnet is a substance which will attract the magnetic substance like iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. You may be noticed that when a magnet is placed nearby any of the iron piece, that iron piece is attracted towards the magnet. Okay, so the material shows this property, we call it as magnet. Okay, so the magnet was first discovered in the Asia Minor, in an island in Greece, that is Magnesia. Okay, they have discovered the naturally available magnet, that is magnetite, or another name is lodestone. Lodestone. Okay, the chemical formula is Fe3O4. This lodestone is a ore of iron. Okay, then these magnets we are using for different applications. You may be noticed that in the speakers, amplifiers and holding the metallic objects. Okay, so likewise so many applications. These applications are based on the properties of magnet. Okay, now we will see the properties of magnet. Properties of magnet. The first property, that is we are going to study the directive property. Directive property. The directive property is that a freely suspended magnet point out earth north south direction. Okay, why it is point earth north south direction? Because earth have a magnetic field. When a magnet is freely suspended, it is under the effect of earth magnetic field, so that it is aligned the earth north south direction. Okay, so this is the directive property. Then this directive property is the principle of a compass. What is a compass? Compass is a magnet which is placed over a sharp end. You may be see in the physics lab. Okay, so one end is to be north and other is south. Okay, this is the piece of magnet that is placed over a sharp end. Why it is placed over a sharp end? Because it can freely rotate. Okay, so this property of the magnet, that is a directive property of the magnet, is known the olden days. Okay, so the previous days in the BC 400 itself, the Chinese people are using the compass. Okay, this is about the directive property. Next to the property is the magnet have two poles. Two poles. One is the north pole and other is south pole. South pole. Okay, then. So for a bar magnet we will write like this. N is the north pole and S is the south pole. Okay, then the next property is the like poles repel each other. Repel each other. That means you see this is a one magnet, it's north pole, and the other magnet north pole. These two north pole place each other. You may be observed that these are going away. That is, they are repel each other. Okay. And two south pole also place nearby it, they will repel each other. Okay, then the fourth property, that is unlike poles attract each other. Unlike pole attract each other. That is a north and south pole is placed nearby it. You may be observed that they are coming closer, that is, they are attracting each other. Okay, then the fifth property, magnetic monopoles does not exist. Does not exist. Okay, that means north pole and south pole we cannot separate. Okay, north itself will not exist, south itself will not exist, they exist together. Okay, that means if you separate a magnet, that is, if you split a magnet into two pieces, you can get two other magnets with the less magnetic properties. That means if I split this magnet, I will get other two magnets like this. Okay, then the sixth property is magnet is possible to create. This is about the introduction of this chapter.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please put like and share.